How to dock the sintering furnace mesh belt. Today LV will talk to you. Hello everyone. Pay attention to the following points when docking. 1. The two ends of the mesh belt need to be aligned. Assemble the positive and reverse spirals of the two sections of the mesh belt in place to ensure that the two ends of the mesh belt are aligned. 2. Threading. Pass the threading wire through each spiral of the mesh belt. 3. Hook forming. Insert the string on the hook side into the front spiral and clamp it to form. I hope the above methods are helpful to you. If you want to know more about the docking methods of certain types of mesh belts, please contact Yafe Mesh Belt.